Assalamu alaikum guys, what's up? I hope are you doing well in your sweet home and enjoy the sweet winter in your sweet home. Yes, so in this video I will show you most beautiful monster RC robot. Yes, looking like a robot. Yes, come on. So I'm kidding. So I'm telling about the royal name of this RC car. The Stunt RC car Truckit 360. So cool. So tell about for some feature in this car. 360 rotational double side driver, 4-wheel drive remote control, 2.6 high frequency signal. So cool. Wow, off-road vehicle. Oh wow, amazing. So these are gadgets, so amazing feature available. दोस्तों long endurance crash resistant body. Wow, मतलब this body so have heavy metallic use in this body, so cool. So like this my channel, subscribe my channel, bell icon click, next video like